I'm James Spann. This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 27th of October. Still, we have some active weather in progress this afternoon across the state, but we are promising calmer days ahead in the coolest air so far this fall season. Now, let's check the Skycam shots. And been an amazing sky view we have seen from time to time over the past 36 hours. That's from Birmingham looking south. A big cluster of showers approaching the city as that image was captured about 2:11 this afternoon. Up at Mount Cheaha, they are socked in with low clouds, literally in the clouds up there at 2,400 feet. Some light rain falling. Dew points are in the upper 60s. And from Tuscaloosa, a bit of sunshine peeking through the clouds there. That's looking north from the top of the Tuscaloosa County Courthouse. What a storm, goodness. Vertically stacked system north of the Minnesota Arrowhead. That's the view there from 500 millibars, and at the surface, the low is gradually filling. It's at 976 millibars. Now, at one point yesterday, the pressure was 952 millibars, and I do believe that was a record for the state of Minnesota. The system is all wrapped up and occluded, and you can see the stalled front roughly down along Interstate 59. And there's a pretty well-defined contrast on either side of that front. Look at the numbers. Montgomery at 90, Gadsden at 70. Yeah, there's a big difference. The front itself is, again, very close to Birmingham. It's basically between Birmingham and the Shelby County Airport. It's cooler down at the Alabaster site because it is raining at that spot. And around the nation, look at the cold air coming. Wow. At 2 o'clock, readings are only in the 20s over parts of North Dakota, where they have had some big-time winter weather issues up there, as you'll see. There's a tornado watch until 7 o'clock for central Alabama. That basically includes places like Brent, Centerville, Greensboro, Utah, Demopolis, Clanton, Ashland, Lineville, Lafayette, Roanoke. It extends over into parts of Georgia, and you can see that the air is clearly drier north of that front. And there's the convective outlook for the rest of today and tonight. Slight risk of severe weather from near Hattiesburg, Mississippi, all the way up to Atlantic City, New Jersey, in advance of that very sharp surface boundary. And along the boundary, not only do we have a tornado watch, we've got those watches lined up all the way to Chesapeake Bay. And around that big bomb surface low, look at the wind advisories up north, and you have blizzard warning for parts of North Dakota on this October day. Check the QPF chart. This is the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Monday morning. And all that is really today. That counted the rain that started this morning at 7 o'clock. And really after tonight, we'll be dry for a while until about Tuesday of next week. And the tropics. The Hurricane Center guys have 3 circles out there, but would not worry too much about those. Certainly with a big trough rolling in over the eastern U.S. here in coming days. In fact, we're expecting a major cutoff low developing over the southeastern states next week, as you'll see, and that will keep all that mischief well east of here. Look at the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow, 1 o'clock Thursday. Nice trough developing over the east, and the air is cool and dry. A nice northerly flow developing there at the surface, and the high tomorrow should drop into the low and mid-70s. Friday will be cooler. Bright sunshine. Both the NAM and the GFS are showing a high of 64. And Saturday, starting off the weekend, beautiful. The morning low will be probably 38 to 42, something like that. A lot of folks will see upper 30s. There could be some frost, and the colder valleys have a chance at getting a freeze. A cloudless sky, great day for whatever. Football, race weekend at Talladega. There's Sunday, same thing. Gorgeous. Nice and chilly in the morning, very comfortable. In the afternoon, the GFS is showing a high of 74 in Birmingham. And Monday of next week, we stay dry. Now, Tuesday, look at this energy digging down through here. And down below that, the surface low is actually around Columbus, Georgia, with the deeper moisture east of here. So this run is suggesting the showers on Tuesday would be most likely over Georgia and the Carolinas. And Wednesday, this big cutoff upper low forms. And you know the old saying, cold core upper low, weatherman's woe. Down below that, moisture wraps into that, and it's a deal where the sun might be shining for a while. You get this big shower and maybe some small hail from a shower because the air loft is so cold. And there's Thursday of next week. That thing is right over Selma, Alabama. And down below that, again, that would be unsettled and cool, showery. So how about that? All right, we'll check the 12th of November into the forecast period. Woo, look at that big trough over the east. Wow. And that is going to deliver some big-time cold air. Goodness, the 540 line down to Birmingham, strong cold air advection. It looks like January. So if by chance that happens to be correct, it could turn pretty chilly out there in mid-November. We'll see. That's all voodoo, as you know. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Each day there are new stories to tell about the people who live here and the place we call home.
All of the faces that I see, all of the places close to me, they're all part of all the best things about home.
Sharing your stories on ABC 3340, Alabama's news leader.